Hi, this is Dr. Friedlander, and in this video, I want to show you how a student can use inspiration as a pre-writing tool. A number of the students that I work with may also have difficulty with ideation, or in other words, coming up with ideas for what to write about. So in this example, I'm going to be using Gemini, and I'm going to be creating a markdown file that can be imported into Inspiration Flow and then opened up within Inspiration. So let's get started. So I'm in Gemini, and I'm going to type a prompt, create a markdown file for the major themes in chapter 1 of The Call of the Wild. And I'm just going to select submit. And in a couple of seconds, we should be able to get. So here's the file right here, and we could import that. So I'm just going to open that file, and you can see here's the structure. I'm going to download it to my desktop. And then I'm going to open up Inspiration Flow, and there it is. And in this case, I'm going to just open up that file. And here is the file. MD stands for Markdown. I'm going to select that. And I'm going to create it with map links, and then by default, it automatically creates the name of the file. But you can see that this Inspiration Flow supports many other file formats: Word, PowerPoint, Excel, OPML, XHTML, Markdown, and XML. I'm going to say generate the file. I'm going to put that on my desktop. Click Save. And then I'm going to minimize this. And then I'm going to double click Inspiration 11. And there's the file. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to arrange it as a web. So you can see also, in addition, it did add some notes to this as well. I'm going to arrange it as a tree and as a right, and click OK. And then I'm going to add some themes to it. So it highlights the color, and I'm going to make it a little bigger so you can see that I was able to go from a markdown file using Inspiration Flow and then open it up in Inspiration. So this can become a great tool for students that have difficulty with ideation and need to do some pre-writing. And again, Inspiration was one of the first programs many years ago that I was introduced to that is a great writing tool, because you can go from your visual map and with a single click go right into the outline. So students can find this really handy as a way to use this as a pre-writing activity. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any other questions or interested in learning more about these techniques and strategies, please get in touch.